Has this ever happened to you? What about this? Oh my god, I forgot my keys!
Ninja, ninja!
Thank you, Ninja! Or this.
All this hard work, I could use a banana. Thank you, Ninja!
Or even this.
Oh no, there's no Lura! What will I do? Ninja, ninja! Ninja, ninja! There you go! Ninja!
Fortunately, Claire didn't have to worry, thanks to her handy ninja friend.
Thank you, Ninja! You saved me again!